Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Accessibility Challenges. This is use headings to show hierarchical relationships of content. Headings, H1 through H6 elements, are workhorse tags that help provide structure and labeling to your content. Screen readers can be set to read only the headings on a page so that the user gets a summary. This means it's important for the heading tags in your markup to have semantic meaning and relate to each other, not be picked merely for their size values. It's something I did a lot when I first started out. You want like a bigger text, you don't just use a heading element. You should use the heading element according to the way you're structuring your information. A heading one would be like the main part, and it goes as it goes down, that's the more least important things. So you want to make sure you're using these correctly. So it means it's important for the heading tags in your markup to have semantic meaning and relate to each other, not pick for size. Semantic meaning means that the tag you use around content indicates the type of information it contains. If you're writing a paper with an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, it wouldn't make much sense to put the conclusion as a subsection of the body in your outline. It should be its own section. Similarly, the headings tags in a web page need to go in order and indicate the hierarchical relationships of your content. Headings with equal or higher rank start new implied sections. Headings with lower rank start subsections of the previous one. As an example, a page with an H2 element followed by several subsections labeled with H4 tags would confuse a screen reader user. With 6 choices, it's tempting to use a tag because it looks better in a browser, but you can use CSS to edit the relative sizing. So when you do want to make stylistic choices or changes, CSS is better than just using a different tag. One final point, each page should always have one and only one H1 element, which is the main subject of your content. This and the other headings are used in part by search engines to understand the topic of the page. Camper Cat wants a page on his site dedicated to becoming a ninja. Help him fix the headings so his markup gives semantic meaning to the content and shows the proper parent-child relationships of his sections. Change all the H5 tags to the proper heading level to indicate they are subsections of the H2. Okay, we want to change all the H5s. So we have an H1, an H2 right here under it. How to become a ninja is the main part. A subsection is learn the art of moving stealthily. And then we have H5s within there. Then we have another subsection, and then within there, I'm guessing what they want us to do here is change this instead of an H5 to make them H3s, because that would logically be what should follow. And let's see. And then within here, same thing, H3, H3. All right, and if you see, all the elements that were H5s are now a little bit bigger actually, but I'm thinking that's what they want. Let's see. And we did pass. So just what we're taking from this is when we use the heading elements, we want to use them correctly, and we use only one H1 heading element at the top, which is our main point of our page, and then we keep going in subsections. So H2 would be a subsection, and then within there we can even create more subsections. As long as you guys are understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.